If you're someone who likes to create videos and go live on Facebook, you probably will know what I mean when I say Facebook likes to hide the cheese. Well, my name is Ileane Smith, and in today's video, I'm going to help you find your cheese. If you're like me and you do live streaming, especially on Facebook, when you're done with that video, you want to download it and perhaps edit it up and repurpose it on maybe YouTube, or even take snippets of it and make stories for your Facebook stories or your Instagram stories, or maybe even Snapchat. So what happens is Facebook keeps changing the way that we need to download those videos. So I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can get that replay from your live video. First, let's talk about Facebook page videos. So the first thing we need to do is head over to our page and click on the link for Publishing Tools. On the Publishing Tools tab, you'll see the video that you want to download. When you hover over that video, a little pencil will appear. Click on that Edit Video button. It's going to open up a pop-up. What you want to do is scroll down to the bottom of that pop-up where you see the 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots and you'll see your link to download the HD. Now, that's the one that you want to use. HD means that it's high definition. So we definitely want to get as high quality video as we can in order to repurpose it, especially over on YouTube. Up next, I'm going to show you how you can navigate to the actual watch page of the video and download it from there. Now this time I'm on a different video and I'm on the video watch page. You can see the comments over here on the right hand side. And at the very bottom underneath the video, you see the 3 dots. Those 3 dots there is where you click on for different things that you want to do, to grab the embed code, but also to download the video. This is also where you would edit the video if you're on the watch page. So you can go in here and update the title and add it to playlists. Make sure you tag people in the post, especially whoever is in the video. Then you also can go here for distribution if you wanted to allow people to embed the video. And you can add your subtitles and captions on this page as well. And now let's head over to a Facebook group where you've done a video. And in this case, this is the group that I have for my patrons. This is a patron-only Facebook group. In order to get to the videos, you're going to navigate over on the left-hand side to the videos section of the group. And I'll just click on this first video here. And once again, you're going to see why I say Facebook likes to hide the cheese, because the 3 dots are in a completely different place. So here's your 3 dots. Click those on, and there you can download the video. For this last piece, we're going to head over to my profile, because this is another place where you're going to have to dig unless you have this map that I'm about to share with you. So let's go over to my profile. And when I got to my profile, I looked at the different options that we have right underneath our profile banner and clicked on that More button, and then I clicked on Videos. Okay. From here, I'm going to just choose this video here where I'm talking about productivity tools for YouTube. Click on the pencil. And here I'm given a choice to download the HD or the SD. Now, remember, if you're going to be repurposing the video, you probably want the HD version. Once you've downloaded that video, you can go ahead and add a separate intro or a separate outro, depending upon where you're repurposing. It just makes a whole lot of sense to get more visibility for your videos by repurposing them after you download them from Facebook. Thanks for watching the video today, and be sure to check out more useful tutorials right here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.